Ready to grab that must-have item at Walmart but your wallet's feeling a little light? ZipPay might just be your new best friend. First things first, make sure you've already downloaded the Walmart app and have a ZipPay account set up and linked. If not, pause here and tackle that while it's super quick. Okay, with that sorted, browse the Walmart app like usual and add everything you want to your cart. It's shopping time. Once you're done adding items, head over to your shopping cart. Double-check that everything you need is there and ready to roll. Now, at the checkout page, look for ZipPay as a payment option. It should be listed along with your other payment methods like credit cards and debit cards. Select ZipPay. The app will likely redirect you to the ZipPay app or a ZipPay webpage to confirm your purchase. Review your purchase details, including the payment schedule that ZipPay offers. Understand when your installments are due. If everything looks good, tap the button to confirm your purchase with ZipPay. You might need to enter a verification code or use biometric authentication. After successful confirmation, you'll be redirected back to the Walmart app, where you'll see your order confirmation. And that's it. You've successfully used ZipPay at Walmart.